Learning objectives. At the end of the lecture, you must be able to explain key concepts in codes of consumer banking practices, explain the opening and operations of accounts for individuals, joint parties, minors, and corporates. Apply joint liability and joint and several liability in accounts operation when the accounts are in default. Distinguish between a mandate and a power of attorney and their applications. Explain the check clearing process in banking operations. Lecture overview. Consumer protection, private individuals, mandate versus power of attorney, company accounts, check clearing system in Singapore. Let's look at consumer protection. Code of Consumer Banking Practice. The code outlines the minimum standards of good banking practice. It is a guide for customer what to expect from banks. Basically, you expect the bank to be fair in all the dealings with you. There'll be compliance by all the Association of Banks in Singapore members. These are the 5 key principles the Code of Consumer Banking Practice stands: accountability, fairness, privacy, transparency, and reliability. Under private individuals, 3 areas were account opening. The bank has to verify the identity of the person opening the account. This is to prevent any misuse of the banking system. Before the account opening, the bank has to establish at least 3 key areas: identity, employment, and personal references. Minors. Anyone who is below the age of 21 are classified as minors. They have no legal capacity to enter into a valid contract with the bank. Yet the banks are keen to acquire their accounts. Joint account. Any account consisting of 2 or more related or unrelated parties. Mandate or account signing conditions. How the account will be operated. Next, we'll look at mandate versus power of attorney. There are 3 areas we'll be covering under that: third-party mandate, power of attorney, and termination. Let's look at company accounts. There are 2 areas we'll be looking at: account opening and mandate. Let's look at check clearing system in Singapore. We will first go through a quick introduction, followed by a look into the cutoff time for check deposit and the check truncation system. Tom is the payer here. He used the check to pay Jerry. He basically passed the check to Jerry, and Jerry received the check, present the check to his own bank, DBS. And DBS in this situation is a collecting bank. So DBS present the check to UOB, and UOB has Tom's current account. So UOB debits Tom's current account here and transfer the money to DBS. And DBS credits the money into Jerry's account. So this is one simple example here how a check works.